Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video today we are going to see how can we type by speaking in any language. To do it, first of all I am going to open my browser Google Chrome, and here after opening my browser I am going to click on the right top corner, and in this option I am going to open the drive. I am going to open my new file in Google Docs. You can see here. First of all, I am going to change the name to type by speaking in any language, and I'm going to keyboard and hit the center. After doing this, we need to see the toolbar in the top, and in the toolbar here is the tools option. We need to click on the tools option, and after clicking in tools option, in the bottom here is voice typing. You need to click here and you need to select the language. As first I need to test in the English, so that I'm using English, and so that I'm going to click in the mic button. Hello world, today we are going to type by speaking in Google Sheets. In this video we are going to learn to type in any language by speaking. Please subscribe my channel so that I'll be motivated and produce more videos for you. Thank you. And now you are done, and by speaking we can type very easily, and we need to punctuate after the typing, so full stop, comma, or whatever you like. And second, we are going to try in Spanish. I don't know Spanish much, so I'm going to show a demo only. Okay, this is the Spanish, and here we need to again click on the mic button and hola mundo. This is the hello world in Spanish. And after this we are going to try a new language, suppose Hindi. Here is Hindi, and we need to again click on the mic button. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको मेरे चैनल में स्वागत करना चाहता हूं। आज हम इस वीडियो में बोलकर कैसे टाइप करेंगे उसके बारे में जानेंगे। And now see, it is all done. By speaking we can type Hindi. Again I need to change any language, like whatever, like Chinese, then I don't know Chinese much, so that I'm just trying to use it. Ni hao xinze, and we are done. And now at last, in fifth language, we are going to select Nepali as fifth language, and in Nepali we are going to type by speaking. Here is the Nepali language, and we need to click on the mic button as before. नमस्कार साथीहरू, म आज तपाईहरुलाई सगरमाथाको देशबाट स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। Like this we can type in Nepali, and today we have done in 5 languages: English, Spanish, Hindi, Chinese and Nepali. Likewise, you can select any of these languages like Afrikaans, Arabian, English in any country, dog, and English in any country, Spanish, and then French and German and other Portuguese and other Russian, like other Arabic, and Hindi, Nepali, Marathi, and other language, regional language as well as global language. If you learn to type by speaking, then it will be very easy to do any of your tasks in further days. Please subscribe to my channel so that I'll be more motivated to make such stuff and bring it to you. Thank you so much for watching this video.